guys, welcome back. Today we're making fried rice. Very simple Nigerian fried rice. I'll be showing you how I make my delicious fried rice. To make this, wash your chicken and season it to your taste and cook up till tender. Depends on what you're using. First it into your taste, then you cover it and cook for some minutes. I first of all cook my meat for like 5 minutes. Then I added my liver, yeah, added the liver to cook along. That is, I remove the stock, I spread the chicken stock and fried my chicken on oil. You can use an air fryer if I want to, but there's particular things I want to get from the chicken, that's what I use. I fried it. Frying your chicken it gives another different taste. At this point, the chicken is ready. I'll be making it and setting it aside. After doing that, I'll be boiling my rice. Which after I will be doing other prepping my vegetable while the rice boil. Before I added my rice, yeah, depending on how you want it. Sometimes some people wash their own without not boiling. They are not boiling mine. And the next thing is the meat stuff. I added the meat stuff to a pot and season it at the taste I want. I see if I don't like season it's more onion what of people like. Then I added more water and season it to the taste. Then I like to boil. What the thing next will be adding my rice. Cook it along with the cook with the meat stock. I will cook it to the tender depending on how soft you want your rice to be. It's very important to cook it to almost done, so when you put it it will not look as if the eating have done right. Very important. At this point I would must tell you that the rice is almost, it's not really done, but it's almost, it's going to say half done. So I not put much water into this rice, but I don't want it to be salty, to be kind of overcooked. And this, who told you that fried rice must be green? As for me, I don't believe in that. Fried rice is all about veggies, mixed veg. This I've already prepared my veg. I've all sliced, fried, and set all my veggies ready for me to cook rice. At this point, the only rice is almost done. I like adding my peels and also it to be cooked. I don't like fighting a raw peel when eating my fried rice. My chicken is ready and my rice is also ready. The next thing I'll be doing is to fry my veggies. It's very important to ensure that your meal is so delicious and fresh in your mouth. It's very important to fry your veggies. As you can see, the rice is not overcooked. In the pot, I added my margarine. For people to use your oil, but I use margarine for this. And I added my onions and stir for some minutes, just like a minute or two. The next I'll be going in with my liver. My chopped liver, I added it slowly to fry, but it's not too fried so well. So I just added it to fry it a little bit before going in with other veggies. The next thing I'll be going in, it's very important to use a shallow fry pan to do your so it can like accommodate the rice when you're done. At this point, mine is almost ready. Then I'll be going in with my spring. Okay, no, not spring onions. It's my green beans and my carrots. I fry everything all together. But no need of me waiting for anyone to over fry before adding other. I added my green beans and my carrots all together. Look at the beauty now. How it's sparkling already. This is so beautiful and so nice. Here I use direct sunlight to video this. You practice will give you the best color texture when you're drawing with direct sunlight. Yeah, it's like my carrot, and that's why I just put my pan and fry it. It looks so yummy and so delicious. At this point, I've almost fried it for some, almost like so 2 minutes plus. Then I'm going with my chopped red bell pepper and green bell pepper and some scotch bonnet pepper. just for flavor, and briefly I added my garlic and my ginger also, and I stir fry together to get everything covered inside. Very very important. This at this point, you need to ensure that you fry and you season your veggies very well. This will determine how delicious your fried rice will be. It's very very important to always fry your food and cook it in a medium heat. Don't overcook it and let it not be overcooked. Very very important. Then I added my seasoned curry powder and some more garlic powder and some nutmeg mixed inside the stir fry. Because have you ever tried to put nutmeg inside your fried rice? You were to try it, you thank me later. I mean it. It tastes so cool, so delicious. You will love it. At this point, my food is my veg is almost ready. I'm going on with my sweet corn. What is fried rice without sweet corn? I don't know. I love the flavor of aroma and the flavor of sweet corn in my fried rice. Does it have the cream? Everything is mixed together. I love. If there's anything that give me joy when cooking fried rice is this stage. How the whole veggies just popping green, popping red, orange color, corn, yellow, almost all the healthy color is inside this my veggie. I love it so much when I see my veggies popping so different color. It shows you how balanced and so how delicious this meal is. You keep on stirring for almost like I stir for almost like 2 minutes before I felt that it's ready. Then I separated it and divided it into because I want to like it in two parties so it will not be overcrowded and make me not be able to like mix my rice very well. Then after separating this, then I'll be going in with some rice into it in order to fry the rice. Now this is where the main and the end product is. This is where you keep on adding your rice and stir fry for some minutes, not too long. Then at this point my fried rice is ready. My fried rice is ready. I love this texture. I love the color. Your fried rice must not be yellow. Please stop adding color to your food. Come on. Fried rice must not be yellow, must not be green. Your fried rice can it's all about veggies. Let it be popping. Look at I have my chicken. Look at my pretty fried rice. I have about coleslaw. And this is the end product. I tell you, this was so yummy and so delicious. I just hope you will try this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if you be trying this fried rice. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. I always come back for more videos. I'll be posting video every Sunday by 6 p.m. Every new video will be coming up on my channel. Do well to glue to my screen to click the notification button so you get notified anytime I upload video. Thank you. Bye.